find the slab. And fire when you're ready. Fire!
Hi Korean subscriber, I'm Jeannie Amnida. Mr. Kim Akanim, thank you for giving this money, and also Mr. Jin Kim, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Mandarin, for giving this money, and also Mr. Jin Kim, thank you, and to all subscribers, thank you. Kamsahamnida.
There you go.
Hi Korean subscriber, I'm Jeannie Amnida. Mr. Mandorinim, thank you for giving this money, and also Mr. Jin Kim. To all sponsor, thank you so much. Kamsahamnida.
Hi, Korean subscribers. I'm Kathleen Namida. Thank you, Mr. Mandarin, for giving me this 500, and also to all subscribers, and also Mr. Lavin to all, Namu Kim, and also Sunflower and Kim Makanim, and Mr. Jin Kim, and also Mr. Mandarin. Thank you very much for giving this money. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kim Akanim, for giving this money, and also Mr. Jin Kim. Thank you so much, and to all subscribers. Kamsahamnida.
Hi, Korean subscribers. I'm Kathleen Namida. Thank you, Mr. Kim Makanim, and also Mr. Mandarin for giving this money, and to all subscribers, thank you very much, and also Mr. Jin Kim. God bless.
안녕하세요. buong pamilya Sina Amida. So I would like to say thank you Mr. Kim Hakanim and also Mandarin for giving 500 each, and also Mr. Jin Kim. Thank you so much, and God bless the all sponsor, and 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. buong pamilya Sina Amida. So for this video I will go to school because we have oral recitation. It's raining. Hindi kayo mag-deser ka ng bata mo. Ha? Sinumbak niya siya ako na. Mas 7. Which is the senior high building. You can see this is 7th floor. So this is the view. So we go there and I will show you the view. This is the PLDT. This is the view. So many houses there, you can see.
Finger linking nun.
Loaded, make ready. Loaded. Loaded in position. Finger out. Finger out, sir. Finger out. Loaded in position. Bring the gun up. Side finger, side alignment. Finger in. Slowly find the slab. And fire when you're ready. Fire. Side. Stop, mama. Stop. Okay, padayon. Wala. Asa, steady lang. Steady mo. Ito mo na. Ayun, wala na. Steady lang. Steady lang.
Muna.